The world thinks the cloud is in the sky. They're wrong. It's made of steel and glass.
Tension is spiking. Slow the spool 3%. Tension is spiking. Slow the spool 3%.
Easy now. Don't snap on me. How's the crust, Mako? Thick. Salt is biting into the outer sheath. She'll hold. We're at 3,000 meters soon.
It sits in the dark, under the weight of oceans. 6 billion lives, tethered by a thread.
Easy on the winch! She's biting today!
Tension's climbing. We're hitting the thermal vent.
Give me some slack, Sarah. She's vibrating.
Negative. If we slacken now, the current takes her. 3,000 meters.
She's down. Dig down.
The deep has her now.
The world waits on a thread. We just hold the needle. The world lives in the light. We work in the gray.
The world lives in the light. We work in the gray.
Maintain the lead. Don't let the tide take it.
Oh, she's dragging! We need the winch now! She's dragging! We need the winch now! Steady, Marcus.
5 more meets. Just 5.
One mistake here, and the continent goes dark. One mistake here, and the continent goes dark. The gates are locked! Now! Connection established. Moving to the next link. Connection established. Moving to the next link.
It travels thousands of miles. But it all comes down to this. To one room. To a single touch. A million conversations, waiting. A world of knowledge, waiting. All held within a thread of glass, waiting for the light.